In the heart of Paris, 1971, a group of doctors and journalists gathered around a table, bound by a shared vision. They sought to bring hope to the forgotten, to heal the wounds of war and conflict, and to bear witness to the suffering of humanity. This was the genesis of an extraordinary organization that would come to be known as Doctors Without Borders, Médecins Sans Frontières, or MSF. Among the founders were Bernard Kouchner, a French socialist politician, and Renaud Séchan, a novelist and journalist. Their idea was radical, challenging the established order of international aid. They believed that doctors had a moral obligation to cross borders and deliver aid to those caught in the crossfire of war, regardless of nationality, race, religion, or political affiliation. The world was then in the midst of the Vietnam War, with conflict tearing apart the fabric of society in numerous countries. In Cambodia, the Khmer Rouge regime had brought about a genocide that claimed the lives of an estimated 1.7 million people. In Biafra, a 3-year-long civil war had left hundreds of thousands dead and millions more on the brink of starvation. In the face of such devastation, the founders of MSF knew they couldn't stand idly by. They set out to provide medical aid where it was most needed, to the people who had been abandoned by the world. Their first mission was to war-torn Bengali in 1971, where they treated refugees fleeing the violence of the Bangladesh Liberation War. Their actions were met with skepticism and resistance. Governments and aid organizations questioned their motives, and some even accused them of interference. But the doctors pressed on, driven by their unwavering commitment to saving lives. They established field hospitals, treated the wounded, and vaccinated the sick. They bore witness to the horrors of war and brought hope to those who had lost all faith in humanity. In the years that followed, MSF continued to expand its reach, responding to crises around the world. From war-torn Africa to disaster-stricken Asia, the organization provided medical aid to those in need. They faced risks and hardships, but their determination never wavered. They stood as a beacon of hope in the darkest of times, a testament to the power of humanity in the face of adversity. Today, Doctors Without Borders continues to carry out its mission, delivering aid to those in need in over 70 countries. The organization has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for its work, a testament to the impact it has made in the world. But for those who dedicate their lives to MSF, the rewards are not accolades or recognition. It is the knowledge that they have made a difference, that they have brought hope and healing to those who needed it most. In the words of MSF founder Bernard Kouchner, to cure sometimes, to relieve often, to comfort always. This is the legacy of Doctors Without Borders, a testament to the power of human compassion in the face of unimaginable suffering.